Ladies and gentlemen, it's a very good afternoon and very welcome on board. This boat tour is going to last for half an hour. I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy the view, enjoy the boat tour. Boat you like, please. So just on our left hand side we are going to see some of the wooden houses, and a lot of the houses in the Middle Ages were just like that. The old chain stint was too dangerous for fire. Here in history of Brugge we had to watch for big fires. Only 4 houses lived like this. At the moment it's a bit of breakfast, but it's not the cheapest one. On the right hand side is the old St. John's Hospital from the 12th century. It was a hospital until the year 1976. It was the main hospital for Brugge and for far outside of Brugge as well. And it is the oldest former hospital here in Europe. Ladies and gentlemen, please be very careful for our next bridge, it's the Guillotine Bridge, so mind your head please. Mind your head please, slowest one on our tour. I'm not a good driver, be careful. It's my first day today. Is one of the 2 breweries of Brugge, is the Half Moon Brewery. It's one of the 2 and I think this one is the best one to visit. For me it's the best one, it's the Half Moon. Is our lock system. It's in use to control the water level in the inner city. The water after the building is 1 meter higher, controlling the water level. It's very beautiful, the Lake of Love. It's also one of the places for the swans, and here in Brugge all over the city we have around 150 swans, 150. the best boat company of Brugge.
We're gonna go on the other side.
Small flea market on the right is always on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Small flea market. Tower. It's a tower from 83 meters high, and it has also a carillon with 47 bells. All those bells together weigh 27 tons, and to go upstairs you need to do it 366 steps. If you're good to the tower, leans a little bit to the right, so actually 1 meter and 20 to the right. And the bell tower was built in the beginning of the 1300s. And those flags here are our city flags. Of us is the oldest bridge from Brugge. It's called the Mee Bridge, and it was built in the year 1235. So actually the two oldest bridges, a 13th century bridge and a 14th century bridge. The stones of this bridge here on top are not authentic, but downstairs is all authentic downstairs of it. This here originally was a river. The river comes from the inner land and it goes down to the sea. The sea is in front of us. So Brugge is a little bit above the sea level. This is no seawater, this is fresh water. This river was very easy and very important for the trade. Brugge was the most important trade city of the Middle Ages in Europe. It was actually the center of economy. Brugge was even more important than New York today. They were really powerful. Today, we are not that powerful anymore, right? And over here are our beautiful typical houses, the stadgevels, and they have been very well restored. Typical houses on the right. You can also see under the big gates, the big forts. It was an entrance for the horses. city, 41 bridges. This is the ugliest one. It's also the newest one from our tour. It was built in the year 1975. I think it was a bad year. The flowers are helping a little bit, huh? They were a good idea. All of this here is the old medieval harbor. It was very important for the trades all over Europe. If you look good on the sides, you can still see the rings to attach the boats. Tower was the trade center of the Middle Ages. It was for the rich business people, it was for the elite, for the very, very rich, it was for the high society. The building in front of us. Big houses here on the canal side, they go for millions, and the big houses are really expensive, but this house on the left is going to be okay. Very, very small. If you need to clean, you're already in 5 minutes.